Hey guys, welcome back. If you travel, work with international clients, or are learning a new language, today's gadget is going to blow your mind. I'm testing out AI language translator earbuds that claim to translate 144 languages in real time with 98.5% accuracy. Let's see if they live up to the hype. These aren't your average wireless earbuds. They do triple duty as music earbuds, a calling device, and a real-time translator. What makes them unique is their ability to auto-detect languages, thanks to built-in AI. Whether it's French, Japanese, or German, these earbuds are ready. There are 4 translation modes: earphone mode for one-on-one conversations, speaker mode for group chats, silent mode for private messages, 2 earphone mode, great for syncing across 2 users in real time. It's all controlled through the companion app, which is simple and intuitive. I tested it in a real conversation with someone speaking Spanish. The results? Impressive. The delay was minimal, the translation was surprisingly accurate, and the pronunciation was clear. Even in a noisy environment, the dual ENC microphones held up. Battery-wise, the earbuds last about 6 to 7 hours, and the charging case gives you an additional 500 mAh backup. They also charge fast, only about an hour to full. The design is lightweight and comfortable, and the touch controls are responsive. I hope you get these earphones.
Espero que consigas estos auriculares.
For an incoming call, you double-click left or right, and then if you want to end the call, you click on it twice. Either one. If you want to reject a call, you press for 2 seconds. If you want to call Siri, triple-click. To pause and play, press the left or right button once. To power off or reset, you hold it down for 5 seconds. If you want to lower the volume, you hold the left button. If you want to increase the volume, you hold the right button. If you want to go back to a previous song, you double-click the left button. If you want to go to the next song, you double-click the right button. This is perfect for travelers, remote workers, students, and even content creators doing international interviews. It's also just great for anyone who wants to remove the fear of language barriers. Overall, I'm genuinely impressed. These AI earbuds aren't just a tech flex, they're practical, smart, and actually fun to use. Let me know in the comments what language you'd try first. I've added the link in the description below if you want to get it. Please like and follow for more videos like these. Thanks for watching!